The future was supposed to be electric. Tesla's dominance seemed inevitable. We have a very good relationship with Toyota, and they're a significant shareholder in Tesla. Elon Musk's vision of an all-electric world appeared unstoppable, but in late 2024 something changed. After a secret meeting at Toyota's headquarters in Japan, Elon was visibly shaken. What he saw that day would challenge everything we thought we knew about the future of transportation. So let's dive in. Legacy automakers were scrambling to catch up, and the future seemed purely electric. But while the world was busy watching the EV revolution, Toyota, the world's largest automaker, was working on something that would change everything. This isn't just another hybrid system or a minor improvement. Elon himself says that this engine promises to destroy the entire EV industry. But before we get to that, we must first understand how we got here. The story begins nearly a century ago in a small textile company in Japan, where a family's dedication to innovation would lay the foundation for one of the greatest technological leaps in automotive history. Sakichi Toyoda was an ingenious inventor who revolutionized the textile industry with his creation. He developed the just-in-time or JIT production method, emphasizing the production of only what was needed, when it was needed, and in the exact amount required. This strategy minimized waste and optimized efficiency, laying the foundation for what would become the Toyota Production System or TPS. The TPS is built upon two fundamental pillars, JIT and Jidoka. While JIT focuses on synchronizing production processes to ensure a continuous flow and reduce waste, Jidoka emphasizes quality control by empowering workers and machines to detect and address issues immediately. This dual approach not only enhanced productivity, but also ensured that quality was ingrained in every step of the manufacturing process. Toyota's commitment to continuous improvement, known as Kaizen, further distinguished it from its competitors. This philosophy encouraged every employee, from assembly line workers to executives, to actively seek out and implement improvements in their daily tasks. By fostering a culture where suggestions for enhancement were valued and acted upon, Toyota cultivated an environment of perpetual innovation. The company's adeptness at reading market trends became evident during the 1973 oil crisis. As fuel prices soared and consumers sought more fuel-efficient vehicles, Toyota was ready with models like the Corolla. These cars offered exceptional fuel economy at a time when many American manufacturers were grappling with the declining demand for their less efficient, larger vehicles. Toyota's foresight and agility during this period solidified its reputation as a responsive and forward-thinking automaker. In the early 2000s, Toyota once again demonstrated its innovative prowess with the introduction of the Prius, the world's first mass-produced hybrid vehicle. By combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor, the Prius delivered impressive fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. This move not only set a new standard in automotive technology, but also underscored Toyota's role as a pioneer in sustainable mobility solutions. The prompt increase in EV adoption highlighted significant shortcomings in charging infrastructure. Many areas lacked adequate charging stations, leading to long wait times and inconvenience for EV owners. Moreover, the existing electrical grids in several regions were ill-equipped to handle the additional load from widespread EV charging, raising concerns about grid stability and the potential for increased energy costs. The production of lithium-ion batteries, which power most EVs, relies heavily on raw materials such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel. The prices of these materials have been highly volatile, driven by supply chain disruptions and geopolitical tensions. On top of all that, the environmental impact of mining these materials, coupled with challenges in recycling used batteries, has raised questions about the overall sustainability of EVs. In response to these challenges, several traditional automakers began re-evaluating their aggressive all-electric strategies. Companies like Ford acknowledged that hybrid vehicles might play a more substantial role in the near term than previously anticipated. Amid these industry-wide challenges, Toyota's cautious approach to full electrification appeared increasingly prudent. According to sources familiar with the matter, Toyota's CEO, Koji Sato, personally invited the tech mogul to review their latest technological developments. This unusual move sparked speculation throughout the industry. Why would Toyota share their closely guarded secrets with their theoretical competitor? The meeting is said to have lasted for over 6 hours. During this time, Elon was granted access to Toyota's most advanced research facility, where their next-generation engine technology was being developed. What happened in that facility remains largely confidential, but the impact was immediately apparent. Several engineers who worked closely with Elon reported a notable change in his demeanor upon his return. Namely, the billionaire appeared unusually contemplative. When pressed about the visit, Elon Musk simply stated, "Take Toyota's new engine. It will destroy the entire EV industry." Coming from a man who had dedicated his career to making electric vehicles mainstream, this statement sent shockwaves. So, what exactly did he see? While specific technical details remain under wraps, industry experts believe Toyota has achieved something previously thought impossible: an internal combustion engine that combines unprecedented efficiency with near-zero emissions. The system reportedly integrates advanced hydrogen combustion technology with a revolutionary hybrid system that requires minimal rare earth materials. The implications are staggering. Such an engine would offer the convenience and quick refueling of traditional vehicles while matching or exceeding the environmental benefits of electric vehicles. More importantly, it would sidestep many of the challenges facing mass EV adoption: grid capacity issues, charging infrastructure limitations, and the environmental impact of battery production. When asked about the technical specifics during a recent Tesla earnings call, Elon's response was uncharacteristically reserved. Elon Musk: "I made my decision to respect Toyota's wishes and not reveal any technical details to the public. What I can say is that they've achieved something remarkable, something that's pushed me to think differently about the future of transportation. Tesla will need to work much harder to create something even better." This statement from Elon speaks volumes. It suggests that Toyota's innovation is a fundamental breakthrough that could reshape the entire automotive industry. Industry analysts even suggest that Toyota's new engine technology could begin appearing in production vehicles as early as 2026. The company has already filed numerous patents related to advanced combustion systems and hybrid powertrains. Though the specific details remain heavily guarded, what's clear is that this development has forced a re-evaluation of the automotive industry's future. The assumption that battery electric vehicles would completely replace internal combustion engines is being challenged. Instead, we might be entering an era where multiple technologies coexist, each serving different needs and markets. What do you think the future will look like after hearing all of this? Let us know in the comments.